Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Anvil and Windrose. First of all, make sure you've discovered the foothills biome, in which you'll need to find the foothills iron ore and make some foothills iron ingots. Here you can see you'll be able to make the Anvil right here. The Anvil is necessary for making the weaponsmith and shipwrights workshop to the level 2. So, once you've gathered some iron ingots, you'll need 30 of them to make the anvil. This is going to require 30 foothills iron ingots and a level 2 station in the workbench, which is the sawhorse. Now, in the building panel, crafting and utilities, here you'll see the anvil, on which you'll need 10 wood and the anvil. You can go ahead and place it down under a roof, and now as you can see, we've got the level 2 station. It has to be placed inside of the bonfire area to work, and that's pretty much all. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.